will come into your place, into your generation. That is prophecy. Dunay tagna, no? Dunay tagna, dunay gatawag og sa ato ko manalang na fortune teller. But this prophecy, the Bible said that there will be what? According to 1 Corinthians, we'll talk a little about spirit of prophecy. 1 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 28, God said that there will be what? Prophet, pastors, evangelists, teachers, gives miracle, and what? Gift of healing. Healing is also what? A spirit of prophecy. Nabani gihapon ang maayong panglawas? Nabani ang maayong panglawas gihapon? During the time of Jesus Christ? Yes, when God came here on earth, He preached, He teach, and what? And He healed the sick, the broken-hearted, even the paralytic. Now, all the person who has diseases, He healed them. Because He is the natural healer. So, naalalang, gitsulti na dana. Hangtod kanus aman ang kaning gitawag health until the coming of the Lord. 1 Corinthians chapter 1. Hangtod nga wala pa niabot si Jesus Christ. We are waiting, di ba? According sa mga pangadyon pa nila, na God will come and will judge the what? The dead and the living. And those who are alive, God will judge them. So, hangtod dito sa usama na, sa katapusan, sa kinabuhi nato, naagyod ang may panglawas. Why? Unsa may katuyuan? What is the purpose of health messages? What is the purpose? Number one, the purpose of Jesus, why He gave these health messages, no? Nga kailangan na ni siya permanently because this is His care. Iyatang gibantayan, iyatang gilikay sa mga balatian. God wants us to have a healthy life. Wala gusto sa Ginoo. Gusto sa Ginoo nga dapat dili ka magka-diabetes. Gusto sa Ginoo, God wants us to have what? Healthy circulation. Diba? Gusto sa Ginoo nga mutaas ang imong kinabuhi. Dili gusto sa Ginoo nga mamatay na tao sa iyo. That is why God prepare His people, God protect His people from this what? Health messages. That is why until now, this is still the message. Since from the very beginning and until now, this is the message. So what is the purpose of this? Para pagbungkag sa iyang mga tinungan? Para pagbungkag sa iyang mga tumutuog sa Ginoo? No. Gusto siya nga ma-unite. Kaya ang tao, when you are having a disease, do you think you can come to church and pray? Do you think what is the relationship of brain and the mind? Ano sa relationship sa health or physical and spiritual? Huwag kay TL, maglisod ka gani si Van. You cannot come to church if you have no faith, right? You cannot come to church if you are having cancer. Maybe you can come to church if God will, or your parents or your brethren will, bring you here, sitting in a wheelchair, tingali po niya. No? But, tingali hangtod kanusa. Until when? Kamay lang imong kinabuhi. That is, God is so loving. Mauna nga, doon nagyoy pamaagi sa pag-atiman sa Ginoo sa tuwa. That is why the Bible said, John 10:10, no? Ingon niya, I have come to give you what? Life. Naging kinabuhi. Dili gusto sa Ginoo nga mamatay tag sa iyo. Daghan mga batanon karon, many of our young people today are having what? Juvenile diabetes. Juvenile what? Arthritis. Juvenile diabetes. Juvenile arthritis. Gasakit ng tuhod. Tama? Na yung mga bata na karoon nga, ang mata, mura ng mata, sigulang. See? Pagtanaw, hanap-hanap na. Isa pa yung mga bata nung hanap na pananaw. Siya? Dili? Siya? Dagang mga batanon karon doon na arthritis, sakit ng liog, sakit ng ulo pirmi, taas kay stiff neck na, parang stiff neck, may symptom na sa gout arthritis. Arthritis na, that is gout. Frozen muscles. So, Dili nata kalikay. That is why the health messages is still here with us. Kaya gusto sa Ginoo katabangan kita i-lessen ang suffering sa iyang mga katawan. That is why ang Biblia nagasulti kanato nga naa gina permanente. Okay? Nagin siya permanente. Now, ang spirit of prophecy daghan wala nagatuo nga ganing may panglawas, wala ginasuportaran. But God is supporting this message because as I have said a while ago that this message is still until now going on until the coming of God. So that is I'm in my personal concern is I'm thankful sa Ginoo nga naa gini siya. Kaya kung wala man when I was 30-year-old,